Today, I have something special for you. In today's video, we're taking a look at the top 5 best RC boats for beginners in 2026. After extensive research across multiple websites, I've put together a list of great options to suit different types of buyers. Whether you're looking for the best value, performance, or a boat for a specific type of use, I'm here to help you find the right choice. For more details about each product, I've included links in the description below. Keep in mind that this is not a review video, but rather a product showcase designed to help you compare some of the best options available. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment, and of course, subscribe to Toys and RC for more RC content. Number 5. Starting our list at number 5, we have the UDIRC UDI-009 Rapid, an affordable RC speedboat that's perfect for beginners and anyone looking to get started with RC boating. It can reach speeds of over 15 miles per hour, giving you plenty of excitement without being difficult to control. One of its best features is the self-righting system. If the boat flips over on the water, you can quickly bring it back upright and get back to racing. The water-cooled motor helps keep the system running efficiently during extended sessions, while the responsive controls make the Rapid easy to handle, even for first-time RC boat pilots. Its compact design and beginner-friendly operation also make it a great choice for smaller lakes and ponds. If you want an affordable, easy-to-control speedboat that delivers plenty of fun without a steep learning curve, the UDIRC UDI-009 Rapid is a great place to start. Number 4. At number 4, we have the AquaRaptor W-12, a beginner-friendly RC boat designed for stable and enjoyable performance on lakes and ponds. One of its biggest advantages is the anti-capsize design, which helps keep the boat stable and reduces the chances of flipping during turns or when navigating choppy water. The controls are simple and responsive, making the W-12 a great option for beginners who want to enjoy RC boating without dealing with a steep learning curve. It also offers impressive battery life, allowing you to spend more time on the water before needing to recharge. With a top speed of around 22 miles per hour, the AquaRaptor W-12 delivers a good balance between speed, stability, and easy handling. If you're looking for an RC boat that's reliable, easy to control, and perfect for casual racing or cruising on lakes and ponds, the AquaRaptor W-12 is an excellent choice. Number 3. At number 3, we have the DEERC H120, one of the most popular choices for beginners who want an RC speedboat that combines speed, safety, and easy handling. With a top speed of over 20 miles per hour, the H120 delivers plenty of excitement while remaining easy to control, making it a great option for both newcomers and casual RC boat enthusiasts. One of its most useful features is the self-righting function. If the boat flips over, you can quickly turn it back upright and continue your run without having to retrieve it from the water. The H120 also includes a low battery warning and an out-of-range alarm, giving you extra peace of mind while you're driving. Its durable hull is built to handle regular use, while the responsive controls make it easy to navigate across lakes and ponds. If you want a fast, durable, and beginner-friendly RC boat with useful safety features, the DEERC H120 is definitely one to consider in 2026. Number 2. At number 2, we have the VOLANTEXRC Vector XS, a compact RC speedboat that delivers an impressive combination of speed, stability, and beginner-friendly control. This is a boat designed for pilots who want to experience high-speed RC boating without immediately jumping into a more difficult racing model. One of its biggest advantages is the built-in stabilization system, which helps make the boat easier to control and keeps handling more predictable, especially for new pilots. The Vector XS also features a self-righting function. If the boat flips upside down during a sharp turn or an aggressive run, you can activate the recovery system and get back on the water without having to retrieve the boat manually. With a top speed of around 20 miles per hour on the brushed version, this little boat is surprisingly quick for its size. It also includes reverse, which is useful when the boat gets close to obstacles or needs to maneuver back into open water. The durable hull and waterproof design make it well suited to regular use on pools and lakes, while its affordable price makes it an attractive entry point into RC boating. Overall, the VOLANTEXRC Vector XS is a great choice if you want a fast, stable, easy-to-control RC boat that gives beginners plenty of room to improve. For 2026, it earns a strong number 2 spot on our list. Number 1. The Traxxas Blast, a legendary RC speedboat and one of the best choices for beginners who want a combination of performance, reliability, and room to grow. The Blast uses a stable deep V hull that helps provide predictable handling on the water, making it easier for new pilots to learn the basics of RC boating. It can reach speeds of over 20 miles per hour, giving beginners plenty of excitement without being an extreme racing boat. Another major advantage is Traxxas reliability. The Blast features water-resistant electronics, including the receiver, steering servo, and electronic speed control. Just remember, water-resistant does not mean completely waterproof, so proper maintenance after running is important. What really makes the Blast stand out is the huge Traxxas aftermarket. There are plenty of replacement and upgrade parts available, allowing you to improve the boat as your skills develop. You can start with the standard setup, learn how to control the boat, and then upgrade components as you become more experienced. The Blast is also relatively easy to maintain, making it a practical choice for someone who wants to enjoy RC boating regularly. If you're looking for a reliable, upgradable, and beginner-friendly RC speedboat that you can keep improving over time, the Traxxas Blast is our number 1 choice for 2026. I hope this video has been helpful and has clarified some of your doubts. To get more information about the products, or to find out which one fits your budget, just click on the links in the descriptions. I don't mention the prices of the products because when you're watching the video, the prices may not match, as they vary depending on the time of year and can also go on sale. See you in the next video.